Hi, my name is Dima Chizhevsky. I am an architect of the GEO protocol. Currently, our team is working on a series of videos which would help you to understand how GEO protocol works and what technologies it uses. And we will start from the brief description of the GEO ecosystem and overview of the key technologies which help them to interact. GEO is a protocol for highly efficient decentralized processing of P2P value transfers in a distributed network of nodes not based on a common ledger. GEO can serve as a layer for existing blockchain systems and facilitate payments in a fiat or other non-blockchain based units of exchange. By emphasizing crowding features, cross-unit exchange, and transaction atomicity, GEO enables efficient inter-blockchain exchange of value. From the technology perspective, the process looks like this. There are nodes in the system, and they are communicating with one another by opening channels. We call them trust lines. For example, we have node A, B, C, D, and for example node E. And each of these nodes is connected with several its neighbors via communication channels. Nodes can have several connection channels. For example, in this case, node B is connected with node A, C, and E. The channels itself could be one-directional and bidirectional. For example, for this kind of topology. Basically, these connections reflect one's social and economic relationships. So in accordance to Dunbar's number, we are expecting there are up to 150 active trust lines for one node. But there are virtually no technical restrictions for the number of first-level connections. However, one can also perform a transaction with a node it has no direct connection with. For example, node D wants to perform transaction with node A. In this case, GEO protocol discovers several possible paths to the destination node through the middleware nodes using their first-level connections. So, for example, node D can use paths D, C, B, A, and also path D, E, B, A to perform transactions with DA. You can imagine how big path graph could be and how hard it is to provide users with fast and secure routing in a highly volatile network. On this stage of development, we can already declare that GEO protocol is able to process this kind of task in almost real-time speed. Also, the GEO protocol enables us to transfer any kind of assets and their equivalents that we call cross-units through the network. For example, trust lines can be opened in US dollars, crypto assets, oil barrels, or even kilowatts of energy. The trust line mechanics is very similar to the well-known state channels mechanics, so it allows us to easily convert trust lines to the state channels in order to communicate with external blockchain-based ecosystems. And at the same time, GEO protocol makes it possible for everyone to create and exchange their own cross-units. Our main goal is to create a decentralized system which makes it possible to send one equivalent and to receive a different one with the best possible exchange rates. But there is one more thing. The system that we are building is designed to be used by you guys to create third-party dApps and even whole new ecosystems. And at the same time, GEO aims to be a lightweight, modular, low-level protocol for the Internet of Value, as TCP/IP is for the old good Internet. So stick around for our next videos where we will explain our features and technologies in detail.